Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox the smart Wi-Fi plug, which is from Avatarcontrols. These guys are phenomenal. This is their entry-level little switch. So this way you can control and also turn on and off your phone, or if you want to connect your lights to this, it will work like crazy. That's not the only thing. They also have a Kickstarter for a few other little products that they want to bring out, something like power socket, also Bluetooth speaker, LED light, and also wireless chargers. These are all going to be combined as one. We will put a link for the Kickstarter in the bottom of this video. But for the meantime, you can see that the box is really nicely designed. But if you look on one side, this is compatible to Apple, Android, also Amazon's Alexa, and also it is compatible to Google Assistants. Or you can also just basically set it up with your Google Home and it will work. Now the best part is once we open it, the components that are part of it is the smart plug itself, and also comes with a little qualified certification. If you look on one side of it, it is really nice. It has just a few little buttons. You have the power on the top and a USB 2.0 connection. So this way you can charge your phone, and this will give you 5 volt 1 amp. And if you look on the front part of it, you have the actual electricity connection. Now that one will give you 120 volt, which is about 10 amps. So this way you can just hook up your lamp, or you want to hook up your computer or laptop, and this will work perfectly. That's not the only thing. There is a little user manual that will give you more information on how you can install the Smart Life app. It has a little scanner that you can scan and then go ahead and you can connect it. Now I gotta let you know that one thing that we learned from this, that we were playing and we could not connect this for over a month, is that was our mistake. We are using 5G network. This bad boy is connecting via 2.4, which is single band Wi-Fi, and then that way it will connect like crazy. So in order to connect it, you have to get the app and then make sure that you hold the little button on top of the socket itself for about 5 seconds. And once you let it go, you will see that it's blinking really fast. And then inside of the smart app itself, you have a little button you will click. It will ask you to connect your device. So in this case, this is a wall socket. We will click it, and then after that, it will ask you to enter your password. Once you enter your password, click next. It automatically goes in and it syncs to the socket. And again, it should not take you more than 20 seconds to sync. You can see right now it just went through and now it is connected. So we will connect one of our light to it, and you can see right now that it is done. And once you click on it, it turns off, and once you click off of it, that's how you do it. So it's very, very simple to go next and play with this. This is a little device that will be very handy if you want to use your Google Assistant by indicating to it and it will turn off. Or if you have Alexa, it takes roughly about 10 seconds and everything is off using the socket. So now you're more portable and very easy to use. Even if you want to go to a hotel, this will work perfectly for you. At the meantime, I will be placing a link where you can order this from, and also more information about this little smart Wi-Fi plug at the bottom of this video. Except that, I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.